In this presentation, we would like to show you our new app engine for iOS that will allow you to build a jigsaw puzzle game from a bitmap. Let's select a picture from the menu and then the amount of pieces we'd like to have. Our image gets shuffled in the beginning, and now we can play with the pieces. There's no limit to the amount of pictures that can be used. Now let's go back and choose another difficulty. Now let's look what 54 pieces look like. Our app comes in two variants. The first one is ad-free, while the other one comes with support for both AdMob banner and interstitial ads. Now let's see what the admin panel looks like. Under settings, we can set our password, and here we can add new images to our game. So let's press add button, insert a title and press save, and then back. And here we can add a thumbnail to our app, and this is where we add a full-fledged picture that needs to be 720 pixels by 720 pixels. First we can delete it or edit it. Now let's take a moment to look at our application in action on real devices. And that will be all for this presentation. Thank you for your time.